video is going to be a get ready with me. I hope you guys will really enjoy today's video. I'm gonna use all affordable products in today's video. Today's makeup look is inspired by fall colors. I just love the feeling of fall and autumn, and the colors are so beautiful, perfect to do your makeup look. It will suit every single skin tone. So that's the reason I'm here today. Just a simple get ready with me. Just sit with your coffee, relax, and we are gonna do our makeup together. So first I'm gonna start with some moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that works for you, but I'm gonna use this one from Makeup Revolution. This is the Revolution Pro Miracle Cream, and it's a very hydrating, very nourishing product. I just love how it sits and how it feels. Also, this is a perfect product if you want to do your makeup. This is a perfect product to use. Now this moisturizer is very thick, very hydrating, so it's not suitable for oily skin people. If you have oily skin, you can go with any oil-free moisturizer like the Dot & Key one. You can also go for a gel hyaluronic acid, a gel hyaluronic acid moisturizer. This one is from Isntree and it's also really nice. So I'm just going to prep my skin really well before using my foundation. My skin is all hydrated, all beautiful. For my foundation, I'm using this one from Maybelline. This is a very beautiful, long-lasting foundation. Sometimes you guys ask me to recommend like a long-lasting, full coverage foundation. Here you have it. It's beautiful. It does oxidize, so make sure you are taking one shade lighter. This is the Maybelline New York up to 30 hours Lumi-Matte foundation, which also contains SPF 16, and I'm using the shade 220. So it's a beautiful product, beautiful coverage, extremely lightweight, a skin tint on my skin. But it's a foundation, contains a good amount of coverage, extremely long lasting, so perfect, and this particular shade matches my skin tone beautifully well. Also, you do not need that much product with this, you just need a little bit. The consistency of this product is pretty runny, so make sure you are careful while using the product. This is what the consistency looks like. I've talked about this foundation a lot and you guys already know my love for it. Look at my skin, by the way. It's looking so beautiful. It's definitely a Lumi-Matte foundation. Very luminous, very hydrating, very lightweight. I'm just gonna use my beauty sponge just a little bit so that everything looks even out and it just gives you a very natural finish. Go in with your brush, and after you are done with your blending, go in with your beauty sponge and you will see how perfect your skin is going to look. So this is what my skin looks right now with the Lumi-Matte foundation. This is the texture of my skin. It's so perfect, and with that Makeup Revolution moisturizer, the combination is so good. This is what my skin looks right now. Very happy with this particular product. Now let's move on to our concealer, and I have beautiful concealers, affordable, works literally like high-end makeup. These are from Inside Cosmetics. One is this Inside Cosmetics Airbase concealer. This is what it looks like. It's a literal dupe of Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and here you have the Inside Cosmetics concealer. This is their no smudge concealer. So these are the concealers that I'm gonna use for today's video. These are really good. I sometimes use this Airbase concealer as my base because I love it so much. It looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use this one only for today, but it's a little bit dark for my skin, so I will mix it. Look at this. It's literally my skin tone shade. It's in the shade Tan Beige. The shade range is very weird, like this is not a tan shade. I think doing your eye makeup is the best option, but now we can't go back. We are already done with our base makeup. Look at, I'm loving my skin right now. Full coverage, beautiful finish, looks like a flawless type of a makeup look. This is what my skin looks right now. So perfect. I'm really happy with this overall skin that is going on. It's so beautiful. Let's do our eye makeup because that's the fun part. I'm gonna use this beautiful palette from Space Beauty. This is their Baytown eyeshadow palette. It also comes with a mirror. This is what the color story looks like. It's a beautiful palette with a beautiful color story. You get nudes, your warm brown shades, you get some shimmer shades as well. Perfect palette for any occasion or maybe your everyday look. This is the palette that I'm gonna use. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna do a very simple eye makeup look. Just going to focus here, the outer area. I'm not gonna take the product inward, just a little bit all over. I'm gonna take the end of this eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna make this as a guide just so I can do that snatch type of a finish because I don't have makeup tape with me. I'm going to take a little bit more darker color and with a packing brush I'm just going to again do the same thing and I'm just going to pack the color like this and take it a little bit inward, smudge it out and then take it outward. And with the first brush that we already used, I am just going to blend this area just so it looks very even. So this is how it looks so far. Now I'm going to intensify it a little bit more. I'm going to take a little bit more darker shade and I will try to use it as my eyeliner. I'm just going to use it on top of my eyelash that I'm already wearing. I'm gonna take the brush and just smudge it out. So this is what my eye makeup looks right now. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna keep this matte. I will use this mascara from Lumi-Matte. This is a tubing mascara. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a beautiful, it's flexible, really nice. It's a tubing mascara which I'm very excited to try out. And yeah, it's from our Indian brand. I'm just gonna use it all over my lower lash line. By the way, this is not a black mascara. This is a burgundy mascara. It's in the shade brown gel, like a brown burgundy mascara. I'm just gonna also use it all over my eyelash. So I'm just gonna take a flat brush like this and I will take this beautiful white beige color and I will use it only on my inner corner area and I will just take it a little bit upward. This will just create such a professional look. Like, these are very simple steps that we ignore, but trust me, it literally changes the game. This eye is looking a lot more brighter and so much more clean, professional as well. You can use a shimmer shade, but I'm trying to keep this eye makeup look matte. And this is what it looks like. You can see the transition. My entire eye makeup is looking so much more clean, so much space I already have. It's looking very polished, very professional. This is the finished look. Now let's move on to our blush. So for my blush, I'm going to use this one from Makeup Revolution. It's a dupe of the One Size blush, also Patricia blush. So you do get a cream blush right over here, then a powder one, then a highlighter. So this is the blush. It's very beautiful, very subtle, perfect for this fall undertone theme that I'm doing. It's like a nude pink color which looks so perfect. I'm gonna use the powder side for today because I don't want my makeup to be too much glowy. I already used a Lumi-Matte foundation. Sorry, a Lumi-Matte foundation. So I want to keep my skin a little bit more matte. This is what the blush looks like. Look at this, it's so pretty. You can definitely use a nude blush, but I just want some color on my skin. So I'm just going to use this nudish pinkish blush. Also the formula is so perfect. It's literally going to blur out your skin so beautifully. This is what the blush looks like. It's very subtle. I used just the little amount because I don't want the blush to be overpowering. I was like, where is my Max Factor highlighter? Then I found this and it's absolutely beautiful. I don't know why I decluttered it. So I'm just going to use my highlighter, just a little amount, just to bring back a little bit of glow on my skin. It's so beautiful, does not contain any glitter, no chunkiness at all. Gives you a perfect shine that you need. I'm literally so mad because I don't know why I decluttered this beautiful highlighter. You can even use this all over your inner corner. It's so beautiful. Yeah, that's pretty much it for our base makeup. Now the best part, which is lips. And I have a very beautiful product. This is the lip color that I'm gonna use. This is from Maybelline. This is the Superstay Teddy Tint in the shade number 20, which is Mascara Tear. You guys know how much I love this lip liner. This is Mars lip liner in the shade Cinnamon Roll. This lip liner is, I think I have 3-4 lip liners already from this brand, and it's in the shade Cinnamon Roll. It's so good. I do have some lip color on my lips. I'm just going to remove it. This is the most perfect nude brown lip liner for Indian skin tone. I love this lip liner so much. Look at this color. Isn't it so pretty? It's so perfect. Perfect for your everyday makeup, perfect for any occasion. It's long lasting as well. And then I'm gonna use Mascara Tear on top of this. By the way, they reformulated this Teddy Tints. These are not at all sticky, not at all heavy. Very beautiful tints, which I love. So yeah guys, this is the finished makeup look. I am so happy right now. This is so beautiful, easy to do, looks like me. This is my type of a makeup look. Perfect. Colors are so perfect. These are not like too orange or too warm, too cool. It's something in the middle. It's so perfect. I love how my eye makeup looks right now. My base is looking flawless. They're all affordable products. I will not say extremely affordable, but these products are pretty good and they work literally like high-end makeup. So that's why I included in today's video. This is the finished makeup look and I'm so happy. I literally don't want to remove this. It's so perfect. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see you on my next video. Bye.